Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Traders. Sorry about that. We are super late today. We had a little discussion today about like something to do. So unfortunately, we were late. It was a very
A lot
productive
of big
discussion,
whiteboard session.
so yeah. So I hope everybody having a good day. Market seems to be tanking a bit. Like it really flushed there. I don't know if we had any numbers coming out. And yeah, I will check that out right now, but it's recuperating, it's coming back up. Like this is PLTR, but the SPY is looking pretty much the same. We have core PPI month to month, PPI month to month, inflation jobless, initial jobless claim, continuing jobless claim. We have core PPI year to year. We have PPI. Yeah, we have a bunch of numbers coming out. The 30 that many of them like very important, and
they definitely flushed it for
for everything.
$4.
Yeah, even
Right? That day 30, when everything came out, it was just woo.
Yeah, so yeah, things are looking like I will be looking probably long at some point, but this is just a reaction to the news. I have to check. Let's see. PPI came way higher than previous and way higher than consensus. So initial jobless came lower. The jobless claim that came lower, but just by 4,000 difference. So core PPI that went way higher, like 0.8% higher than the expectations. Yeah, numbers were a little bit funky this time. I would say like they are up and down here and there. Like yeah, not catastrophic, but yes, that will affect the market for sure. So we want to see if SPY is willing to go higher, which is looking like this is totally looking like a long to me. I don't want to be too biased to the long side, but I'm gonna be taking a look at the volume. What are you trading, Marie, today, and how are you doing?
I am doing very well, Davey. I am looking forward to seeing what the market has for us. I'm looking at SPY. It's really tanking right now. It took a real dip with those news, which they don't seem to be too bad, right? But that level 641.42, that's a level that we've put there at the beginning of the week. It just wicked that back and went back up. So right now I'm looking for a reversal, and it could be our GTI, really far from the PCL right now. So I'm looking at that, and I've placed an order for Wolf. So at 689. So we'll see what happens there. And what about you, Davey? What's looking?
Well, I'm looking at the usual suspect for me, which is Nvidia and AMD. Nvidia is already went without me, and probably I'm gonna be looking for the other side of that trade. But I am not too convinced of that. So I'm gonna because the volume is looking sweet on NVDA. So I probably don't want to jump into the short. But right now 85 is seriously like 1,000 lot. But that's AMD actually. So if AMD, I was looking at the wrong tape. So let's see, AMD is looking, maybe 85 worth it. Yeah, let's give it a shot. The AMD.
PLTR really did a big pullback, and now it's reacting. Went through to the PCL, reacting with the VWAP right now. This could be a nice move, a nice bullish move. We'll see. It seems to be pretty much correlated, almost to each move with SPY right now. So.
Okay, there we go. I have a little short on AMD, and I'm expecting it to not get to 185.50. So that's fair. And let's see. Made a little mistake there. I went in a crappy price when I can go just like at the right price. So.
Wow, what a nice move on AG.
AG, what the heck?
That's a dollar move.
What is AG?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I have good volume for the hub.
Obviously not silver.
No what?
Not silver. That's the AG is the tableau périodique sign. periodic table sign for silver.
Gotcha.
I don't think it would have been that easy and put it and say that's silver. Could be interesting, but
I think my stop loss is wrong there. So the AMD have 61. So I'm just gonna be trying to go all out on AMD. I'm gonna be all out, and the trade can work. It's just it was a mistake, I think. That's not the price I want, so I am just willing to be out. If ever you get me out before you get me out with a loss.
I'm just gonna put
So
that sign.
I just canceled the order. I got out, little profit there, and nothing actually, like basically breaking even. That's, as I said, it's not the price that I want. So, but like this is the price I probably want. So let's see. We had a decent order at around 30. So that's gonna be the right order. Like I want to see it printing 30 again. I'm going short. I think this is done. Ay, papa. What are you trading him?
I got Irene.
Oh, look at you reducing that thing from BBAI. Even on a day where the market is a little bit flushy.
I'm telling you, let's keep working on it. I still have a day. So, whatever that has been, that pullback that we've had, right now, wow, we've got AMD that took off, we've got Nvidia that took off, we've got Amazon that took off. Like, it's just a takeoff. Obviously, TQQQ took off.
Yeah.
What a bullish.
What do I want? This one. Okay. Yeah, like I flipped my head on AMD. I'm going long in AMD.
Okay.
Yeah, like if there is one that I would like to go short, that probably is gonna be PLTR. But I want to check the size on the tape. So as I say, I'm trying to go long on AMD instead of short, because that tape doesn't look short to me. And oh, we got AMD. Pretty good. So the question will be, do we want to add to that or not? Let's see.
Okay, I really like the pullback that just happened there on SoFi. Let's see how it's going. It's at the opening range. Ooh, beautiful double shield at 23. Are you kidding me, Rigetti? Again.
Rigetti.
Rigetti, spaghetti. Oh, no, no. No, you're going to 16. You're not going to fool me today. Come on. Come on. Okay, 1850.
Okay, MD, do I want to add to you or what do I want to do with you? Let's see. The ATR is PLTR. Irene, RGTI.
And I've got orders for Wolf.
Whoa.
But Spy. Go Spy. What is it going to do at the PCL? What's the PCL? Okay, 64490, Davey.
For a spy. If you see, it's actually the thing that they open. No, it's not the thing that they open. The thing that yesterday opened.
Hmm?
A spy.
Push.
Yeah, open at the same price yesterday. The thing
Uh,
open
yeah, and-
is the same than the PCL.
No. I've got the open at 642.80 and I've got the PCL at 644.90. Open?
No, yesterday open. That's today's open.
Oh, okay. Sorry, David.
Yeah, the yesterday open is the same. It's the same than the close. So it was orange. I don't know if you say that like that. But
I'm gonna read a little bit because right now Irene is at an important level. It needs to cross that
PLTR,
level or I'm
PLTR.
out.
PLTR.
Let's go. That's what we wanted to see.
Going short PLTR right there.
Nicely gone. Let's go.
Probably gonna be adding to PLTR.
33's on deck. Come on. Come on.
I'm trying to add to AMD, but
Mhm.
it's at 84. I don't want it before. Oh, AMD's flushing. There we go. How I didn't get that?
How did you not get what? Did it skip you by the penny? That's so frustrating.
Not even. Like, I mean, it just didn't get me. Yeah, it was by the penny. Probably. But I see here that it printed 84.
There we go.
Use
There we
some of
go.
your beep. I'm not chasing that. Or you come for me or walk away.
I like that. Okay, reprint 30. Okay, that's what we want. Reprint 30. Let's go.
There we go. It's coming for me, AMD. It's 160. There we go. I got the entry 160%. Uh,
So you're gonna reprint quickly?
AMD keep flushing, and the SPY doesn't look like a short, so I should be very patient there. Maria, this thing is not working today.
Weird, eh?
Yeah. Dime cuando tú. Ay. So we said that the 84, that there was not much selling going on right there. So I know that the trend is really going down here. So we have no reason to be long trend wise. But the tape was looking decent to me, and
Okay.
I think that SPY is not doing that bad. So for me to be looking south yet, volume spike up, then really slow down. So this is a good long, and I don't like. Let's see, like why I don't want to be long in this. Tell me. Well, during the pre-market, we didn't hold the VWAP at all. That's a good element. But then buyers are stepping at 930 really nicely. So yeah, VWAP is probably a little bit too low. And today is gonna come to the VWAP because it doesn't have as much volume. If you lose the VWAP, we're gonna be out of that.
Okay. You think it would?
Not sure. Probably not, but I find it's lasting a lot to respond,
Okay.
and the trend is kind of accelerating, if I will have to say. But like, is that a smoky move? That's what we don't know. Yeah, it might get me out. Let's see. He got me out. So I'm just gonna wait. Let's see what is a good price to take this back. Okay, let's say that the view up is a good price. I want to see you repeating what you did yesterday. Did you see Cisco?
No, that's a long time.
CSCO?
Whew. That's nice. What is it going to do with the pizza? Oh. Huh. Well, it's sad, but I don't think you're gonna pull. And really, you're just consolidating there. So. Oh, nice. Nice.
Which one was that?
I forget it.
Got you.
What's Rocket Lab doing? So what I did is that I took BBAI at the view up.
Mm-hmm. Trying to get some NVIDIA. AMD, the volume keep going lower.
Let's go, Rigetti to the moon.
Rigetti. Hey, holy crap.
BBAI, let's go, let's go, let's go.
I like your excitement today.
Yeah.
That was the one I do. He's like, I'm not sure about that one. I'm not sure about that.
Let's go, BBAI. Okay, you're at an important level there.
Okay, AMD probably now. Are you at term? Ooh la la, AMD. Look at AMD flushing. Like, let's get some shares right there.
Whew. Check that partial. Whoa.
C'est Marie.
Now pull back a little bit so I can refill that position. I want to reload. Boom, boom. Oh, let's go, BPA. Let's go, let's go. Fill that gap. I'm so happy that BBAI to de-risk that money pit. That was insane.
Well.
Okay, so now I just want to look at what you're gonna do, Rigetti, at that 17.
What you gonna do when I come for you?
Bad boy, bad boy. There's no way you're pulling back to that, because if you're pulling back to that, guess who's saying bye-bye lah?
Bye-bye lah.
Yeah, I'm not breaking even on you. So at 1680, I want a bounce to the moon. You're almost there. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
They say patience is a virtue. Like, I have trouble believing that, but I have to be patient, and I am being patient with this guy here, AMD. I'm definitely trying to buy the 82, and from running it a little, just a little bit, and yeah, it's gonna get me.
We're 80. Okay, yeah. Okay, we found some interest here. That's what we want to see. Keep 80, reprint 80, don't lose the 80, because I'm by. Okay, I'm gonna put the shot clock on you. Eight seconds to reprint 80.
Okay, we got AMD.
You got AMD?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Now this thing is back. So, oh, nice. Yeah, it's, let's see if he wants to do that. I think I'm right, you know. The volume is coming back in. I don't know why, but you should be printing, my guy. You should be printing. And as yesterday, like the trade that have been shining is the one that I say, oh, I don't want to add too many shares to this because it's look at that freaking entry.
Oh.
And it's the one I say, you know,
Okay.
I want to go conservative. Let's just don't fight for it too much. And it's like,
yeah, that is, yeah.
that is it. That.
Yeah, that comes from the heart. Okay, that's what we wanted to see. What you're gonna do?
I have to put a line on the
Wow.
sign in this one because this is not gonna go down forever, you know.
What a
And,
freaking read. Gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my goodness.
80. Ooh, that's a 5. That's a good. 80. That's a 5. I'm gonna go by. You smoky, smoky move.
Why is AMD coming back? So PLTR is 40 cents from my target, so though it's looking like if it's gonna keep going down, I don't want it to be pessimist, but it's just it's the way it's looking like. So
Well, mine is pretty much doing a little bit of consolidation at the 1675, 1680, and that's the level I knew we're going to. I knew that it was going to be consolidating there, but I'm hoping that and it keeps reprinting 80. So there we go. Look at that. Ugh. Nice.
so you got sniper entries.
Oh.
No, exits.
Exit and ads. And look at the BBAI. Let's go BBAI. Okay, no. You need to pop there. No. You pop there? Come on. Ugh. It's maintaining 1680 very, very well. And we've got 1699 and 17. That's a double right there. And it's on deck. So you need to cross. You know what? I hate breaking even on you because holy crap, what a good price. But I just want to take a little look, and maybe if I don't look at you, you're going to pop. Okay, just to see if BBAI, we still have the same targets, and we still have the same signals. Whoa, people are hungry for some BBAI this morning. Me gusta. Go. It's a good price, people. Go for BB. Yeah. Yeah. How are yours working?
Yes, they are doing okay.
Yeah, I like it.
AMD is not looking that good right there. And
you've got enough you need to now. Let's go. I'm not taking a profit there because you should be able to cross over at this point. You're retesting that level. You need to cross, right? Am I right? Let's go. Hands on the wheel here. That's a triple top. Come on. You're retesting a triple top, and we got tons of participation here. People believe that you're going to cross. Don't disappoint them. Oh no. Let's go. Don't be too slow. We want speed here.
please don't go.
Let's go, vamos. Oh, I forgot to tell you, my little grandkids, their new words, because you know that in sports, they say that a lot when they score or when something's good. Let's go!
Yeah.
Right? They surprise me. They go, vamos!
I went.
I was like, turned around, and I was like, what? Hélène says vamos a lot too.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, look at me contaminating people. I like it.
It's very cool.
Yeah. Vamos, mi mère. Look at you guys. Nice. Okay. Look at this trade.
It's pretty cool. While the other things are going down, that thing is pumping up.
Yeah, and that's why I really, really like to trade non-correlated, especially in this beautifully predictable market. Oy.
Well, predictable. That's that's a big word, you know.
Well, that's what I mean. Like, really? Can you predict nothing in this market? Like, nothing.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
So while AMD is just selling off right now, Nvidia is holding good. I mean, I'm really not expecting AMD to go way lower than 81. Though my stop loss right now is at 81, so
Yeah.
it's gonna probably shake me out and work. But like, I think I'm gonna step away from AMD because I am not that good to trade AMD. Like,
Really?
some days yes, but like this week it have been like really hitting me hard. So yesterday was a flip situation, and now it's a like it's like taking too long.
Let me see. Where are you, AMD?
I have it in the second one, but I'm pretty sure it changed already. Yeah, still the second one actually.
Oh. What are you doing?
I'm going long. I am long on it.
Okay, and what's your price?
My price is 82.
182.
Right there.
Yeah. And what's the tape doing?
Yeah, the tape. That's I went with the tape to be honest. Like, but like the 81 is, and this yeah, there are sizes below.
Yeah, but not really a lot, Davey. Like, that's that low, right? At 181.50
Mm-hmm.
that we've got as a position there, that's right there that it printed. So if it goes back, it could go right now. Look at the RSI though. Ooh, nice RSI. Oh yeah.
Be careful, it's at the PCL.
Yeah.
But yeah, cool.
Yeah, we've got a little stack there, but we have a lot of participation to make it go to.
To Wahoo.
No, 1750. Right now, the tape is saying 1750 with the possibility of 18. Because the biggest position's at 18, but we'll see the reaction at the PCL here. If it's going to be pulling back enough that it's going to scare the participation to get it to there, I'm gone. But right now, that's not what we're seeing. So, is it normal that it's going to consolidate a little bit there? For sure, right? So, it's at the PCL. And we've got lots and lots of interest there. So, let's go, BBAI. Me gusta.
So I had an order to go long on Nvidia,
I took profit.
but it never got me. And
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the
It never
money,
got you?
money, money, money.
I'm planning to add to now I will be adding to PLTR.
Okay. So the way that I read BBAI, I added to my position to better my average cost, because if you all remember, 3 days ago it was at $7. I'm able to reduce it a little bit here, and as I read the tape, I knew,
Yeah, very cool. Very cool stuff, huh?
hey, Davey, me gusta mucho. This is cool. Okay, so SPY right now seems to want to retest the PCL. Are we looking at that? Is that what the play is here?
Wait for it. I have a little distraction from PLTR. Yeah, PLTR got me in. He got me in the ad that I want right there. So right now I'm just gonna adjust the. I reduce the risk on PLTR. You say what? SPY?
SPY. I think it's going to retest the PCL, and we'll see what's going to happen there.
Yeah, strong
Yeah.
flavors around there, my guy. Yeah.
I'm gonna explode.
Don't do that.
Don't do that, please. Don't do that. We got acceleration. Let's go. Once it hits 6, it should have a good. Okay, 6 to 620. Let's go. BBAI. Not asking for much. My God, it's almost going to be breaking even on BBAI. I'm freaking out.
PLTR going higher. I want to see what I want to do there. Hijo de tu mama. PLTR now. What? You gonna go above the 200? Look at AMD. What a crappy thing, huh?
What a pullback.
I'm glad I didn't add. Like I was going to add, and I said, "Man, but you didn't you just say that AMD have been like playing chicken with you?" Yeah. So walk away from that. I add to PLTR, and that's what I'm gonna hold.
Okay.
I had a tighter stop loss, which for sure it could get me. But as I decide to add, I just wanna be nimble there. If you get me out, unfortunately, it will get me out. Ignore AMD, my guy. Walk away from AMD. I'm gonna blacklist it. Cisco, I'm looking at the tape to see if there is anything I want to buy from Cisco, but
Yeah, remember, eh? We used to.
yeah, we used to look at it, but it's another story. To take another trade based on that premise is a wrong thing to do. So I will ignore PLTR. AMD, sorry. AMD. Hold. PLTR. It's a story here. The same story, my friend. So if PLTR doesn't get me out, it could be good. But right now I'm having a hard time being convinced of this is a good trade. It's true. Like I see you more and more on the like all those names are no correlated with the market and blah blah blah. Like
I love that because then it's clearer. It's not those news.
Well,
that's
clear.
going to-
The clear is subjective, I will say, but
I don't know about that, David. I find it clearer.
independent, I will say. Like they are more independent.
Mm-hmm. And there's plus and minus in both, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Because if you've got SPY that's going to be giving you indications, or it's going to pull back before your stock, and usually your stock is correlated, we're going to say, hey, let's get out of this, or let's de-risk.
Mm-hmm.
But
Like SPY is pulling back before getting to the actual PCL. And it's a major thing just because it was it opened and it closed at the same price. So it's acting as a level of resistance now, but like just implies that there is resistance because you haven't really touched it. Let's look at the tape on Palantir because I don't want to be too hard-headed on that one. $186.
okay, so our GTI is doing a smoky move. We'll see. I think it's going to be pushing from that level after dumping everybody because the interest has definitely stayed. So let's consolidate a little bit there at the 17.10. And then we need to push.
Right.
So SPY reacted well. There, it seems to be a little bit finding some buyers. RSI seems to be curling on SPY. If people are trading correlations, I am not. So NVIDIA is going to be supposedly doing a little bit of a move. The Rubin chip, initially, the new release of the Rubin chip was delayed, but now they seem to be on track. So that's what AMD is pushing off of that because their new chip has been out. But NVIDIA was delayed. Now NVIDIA is saying that they're not going to be delayed. They're going to be launching their new chip as well. So.
Yeah, like that's a brutal competition because they say that you remember AMD yesterday? It's like, oh yeah, they are doing so good. No, wait for. We're gonna do better. Yes, which is part of the business, you know.
Absolutely.
That's how we go. Any store that doesn't compete, stay behind.
Right? You got to look at our competition.
illustrate me why this should go higher, like AMD at the 82. BBAI is on crack today.
God, I like it.
I got out of PLTR. That didn't work.
Okay, so SPY again. Is that gonna be a triple top?
Let's see PLTR if you really want to go somewhere. Nvidia 82.95.
SPY popping. Love it. Add.
Oh my goodness. Rigetti and BBAI.
And you?
Just PLTR and like I kind of don't know why it keeps going higher, but like it wicked me out in my I wicked me out like I know I kind of had a tight stop loss because it was only 85.16 and like the 85 was big enough.
Okay.
So there is a 86 participant there, but this is not looking like if you want to go to 86. Well, now the tape is a little bit changed, so probably yes. But yeah, I'm not convinced that this is a good short. It worked me out, and normally when that happens, I prefer to go back in.
Okay,
breaking the trend.
Rigetti is slowly flipping.
SPY is testing the PCL right now, which is what is it going to do from there? That's what we don't know. 84.50.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
For Cisco, I was thinking that maybe Cisco at 70 is a good price. Oh, it was a good price. Like, was it 70 or 69? No, yeah, it was 70. Nah, I thought that 70 was a good price, but let me play.
Now, why didn't you film me? Because it was there.
Yeah, but that
Oh, it was there.
Yeah.
Okay. But Wolf, I remember I put it before the market. You know what I did? I put it at the market
And then you
before
changed
the
it?
market. No. I put it at 680
Mm-hmm.
before the market, but when the market opened,
You move it.
no, yeah, I moved it to 7 after because I knew that it wasn't going to pull back to there. It was unattainable. So,
Oh no. INTC is having a good day too. Are you respecting your rule with PLTR? I think I am. Let's just make sure I am not fooling myself. Yeah. Yeah, I don't see why you will go higher.
nice push of Tesla going to the PCL.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got out with some profit. Oh, tell me why I did not continue following. Oi, oi, oi. And the level was there, that's what I was expecting. I didn't place my order. Bad girl.
Look at the ADD. This is the last 2 days. Above 1,000. Today it opened down there. Below minus 1,000. So
Okay. Oh, what a miss. Look at that. I took it. I came out here. right there because I saw it reverse. Go
Then
through
go
the
to your
PCL.
price.
1780. Didn't place my order. That was $1 move on Irene.
Irene.
That's so sad. Well, that's it, right? That's what we keep saying. Stay with your trade, monitor your trade, especially when you're expecting big moves. Darn it, darn it, darn it.
Oh, we. Do you have any story that you would like to tell us?
Do I have? Booger.
Booga, booga, booga. MPDA, 5 minutes.
How you doing, Davey?
So,
You went quiet.
this is a little bit too boring, and yeah.
Come over to my side. I'm so glad I looked at that trade again.
Irene.
Mm-hmm.
Tesla doesn't want to stay red today either.
No?
Yeah, it was 0.32 down, 1% down, I think it was. Now it's back to 0.07%. It's fighting for it. Question is, will we get it?
Hmm.
I'm just gonna take a look at the AMD. I don't care what I have done, just like that. Yeah. That's why like when I look at it like right now it's AMD kind of just get me out and now it's going back up.
Okay.
But I did decide to step away from AMD on purpose, so it's okay. Let's just. What's up? How are you doing? So let's just let it
Hello.
do whatever it wants to do.
Buddy.
The volume have dropped a lot on AMD. So I took it here, like I got out here. So and then it really hold the 81. I knew there was somebody at 81, but like I didn't stay for longer. Palantir I did shorted here at 185.
Mm-hmm.
I add to the short. It got me out here with a little lost. Because this is just wicking me out. Whenever I see that, I just try to go back in.
Okay.
So I got right back in right away, like at the same price, pretty much apparently. Like,
How's it printing?
It's okay. It's just the move is not there yet. So I'm expecting this to go slightly lower. So let's see. That trend can definitely accelerate a bit. Spice is breaking through the 600 with 45, 645. Though it worked me out, I have the desired entry for PLTR. So
Okay.
I'm gonna try to hold it. Like this name, I don't want to say it's gonna go down like, but because I really haven't been reading. I really haven't been reading the tape. But on a PLTI, it's just like the chart is looking like not healthy. So right now we are printing 184.49. We have decent bid through. The offer is quite good too at 86. seems to be bought out, but let's see. That bit is not healthy right there at the 50. I know the 50s and the zeros are important points, but it's fluctuating both directions right there.
Okay, RGTI.
Yeah, that bit even with sizes is not holding that good. So
No?
like yeah, as I say, I think I have the desired price I want. So I know it can go to 86, 186, and then come back down, but I'm expecting it to not go there. Because if we go there, I will be out. Actually, I won't be out even if you go there. You have to go more than that. Okay. Doo-doo-dee-doo-doo. Right, papi. Like I know you mentioned this yesterday. I just want to mention it because it happened.
Oh, yeah, go.
This trend line I have here, it was before. It was when it made this high.
Mm-hmm.
I put the trend line here,
And look at it.
holding it from.
Boom, boom, boom.
So like now, the only question I will have is like, what is it gonna do? Is it gonna break the top? Is it gonna break the bottom? And then we're gonna be more convinced of either
Okay.
or just out.
Mm. Okay. We need to have a serious reaction here. And that's not what I'm looking to see as a serious reaction.
What is a serious reaction, Marie? Illustrate us.
Okay, so a serious reaction for me is that I've got some reaction levels that I've put down, and when they hit that level, we need to see a huge candle,
huge
a
volume.
big reaction, which is going to move the RSI. If not, and usually what happens to these levels, Davey, even more so, what happens to this level, if we look at the tape, when it gets to that level, the tape's gonna flip. whatever is there is going to disappear. So I'm not the only one looking at these levels.
Yeah, like
So if they do the same, they're going to say, hey, if it's going to be there, and I'm going to watch now the tape, if it's there, if it goes there, it does not pop, boom, people are going to disappear like that.
the one,
Including me.
the one, the one I can mention that did that today was in the 181.
Okay,
So
okay.
like, but I really don't like the loan today. You know, like I mean, I think I took a loan on AMD, one or two loan on AMD, like
Well, and look at SPY now, right? Cross the PCL like nothing, almost $1.
yeah, but like the index is very strong. That's a for sure. Like yeah. Now,
Don't make a new low. Don't make a new local low.
Nvidia is getting to the point that I was wanting to get, but as I say, I kind of don't like the low. Like I know SPY right now, SPY, the opening range on SPY is so bullish that I'm pretty sure we have half of the population looking for loans today. So. Oh yeah, like for example, I'm gonna take the freedom of drawing what I'm talking about, just because I think it's relevant. And SPY, like SPY, let's see, this is the top of the range, this is the bottom of the range,
Exactly what I was talking about.
and this is the open. So if you see here, like let's say if we have a trend line on SPY. Since the open,
Talk
Like-
to me as bullish, eh?
yes, exactly. So like I erase only that one. Okay, perfect. Erase only that one. So if I have a line, let's say from here, from the low, look how little it stay inside the like
Opening range.
yeah, like this corner here. That's a super bullish setup. And you see it, like
It's right there, right?
it manifests itself very, very easy. So, but my problem, and the reason why I'm looking for shorts, because half of the population is going long, maybe this should be looking better. But you see this line here, that's a 400 moving average. So we have the 400 on top of the 200, and then the VWAP even below those moving average. So you say, oh yeah, but it's only SPY that have not. No, look that the pink line is on top of. Nvidia was the one that was a crossing. That was why I was looking so bullish on Nvidia, but I didn't get it. But look at the AMD. The pink line on top of the green. PLTR. Look how big is that. That PLTR can really tank. So what else did I look? Hood was the other. Yeah, look at Hood. So, in
like
this
that.
point that we are right now, yes, those lines are going to cross each other back to what they're supposed to be, but it's gonna take a lot of time. Like I mean, it's gonna take. You have to wait for it. You don't like when I say I have the desired price on PLTR. I'm gonna show you exactly. So for anybody that is wanting to learn, like. This is, and I say I was going to look at Brian's trade because Brian is a little bit more reliable than. I said he's very boring to some of us, but he's very nice trader. Like I mean, we have to really say what is nice. So I have what the price I have is above the 5-minute 200 moving average, while the expectation I have in a regular day is just that the stock walk away from the 200 in the 1 minute. So in the 1 minute, what are we doing? We are crossing up, crossing down. So we really didn't walk away from this. So this is very chopped up. But I think with as we get a little bit more determined, if we have enough volume in the other direction, we're gonna walk away far enough from that 200 moving average. I don't know if it's gonna be now, but like I am looking for a really down move, probably toward the open, which is at 182.40.
Okay.
So if you go to 182.40 and pay for the day, but yeah, lack of patience today again, but I don't know. Maybe you're gonna have to change my head. Like somebody's swapping heads. So
You want mine? It's really,
you have
really
no patience
crooked.
either. So
It's really crooked.
take a break.
Yes,
Okay,
please.
we're gonna be back in a bit. All right, we are back, and yeah, Dumbo is that thing.
He's not. Dumbo is not that.
Oh my goodness!
Okay, I need to get into Wolf.
You need to.
I need to get into Wolf. It's not a want to, it's a need to. Now it's to get at the right. I want to get the best. And I was thinking, really? Is it going to pull back to that? Is that possible?
Controla tu loco. And like, let's guess, like, because the market is doing things that he normally doesn't do. I guess, like, let's be funny about it. This thing is gonna come down and it's gonna touch even the 642 again.
Which one?
The SPY. Like, well, everybody is dreaming like,
Oh,
it can go even higher.
Is
Like
it
right
the
now, there.
bet time? Let's do this. Okay, that's me looking at SPY.
Okay, so I say SPY is gonna go back to 142. Like,
No.
oh my goodness, why I keep saying that?
I don't know.
SPY is gonna go back to 642 and 50. That's my bet
When?
before the close.
Oh, wow. No.
Come on, Marie.
Give me a number.
You have to invalidate that before the like,
No.
It's a huge move to the downside.
Exactly. I want you to give me a number. What number? 12. At 12.
No, that's too close.
Okay, so you say 642 by the time we close, right? Is that what you're saying?
No, I say 642.50 by the end of the day. But like, don't.
Okay, hey,
don't-
you know what? You
look,
know what?
It
you
is.
know what?
You have to invalidate the whole day. For
I'm
it to
taking
do that,
okay.
you will have to
Okay,
invalidate
taking that bet, there's no way I was saying.
the whole day from the opening. Okay, we have a bet.
We got a bet going.
So, just to
6:42.
clarify,
I say
before
no.
4 o'clock, like, this is not financial advice to anybody. Like, make sure you read our disclaimer, blah, blah, blah. All the trading is under your own responsibility. Like, basically, it's just my opinion, Marie's opinion. So,
It's
yeah.
a little friendly,
Yeah, it's a
friendly wager that we've got going, and
it's a way to have fun. Like, everyone, we are working and waiting for this water to be
to boil.
evaporated. So basically, just to be clear, the bet there was before 4 o'clock. SPY is going to touch 600. 42, 50. So I'm gonna put a blue line there just because I know that the low is a little bit lower, but I say it's a little bit above that. So wherever I put the blue line, that's gonna be it. Before the end of the day. That's scary because that will mean that things are really broken, you know, like well, broken. Like, didn't it work? Yes, it did. It did went very high. So like, this triangle here implies a long move, so it really went higher. So I'm just maybe talking, but yeah. Oh my goodness.
$42.
You saying impossible?
Not saying impossible, because who am I to say impossible? But I think it's a healthy bet. I like it. It's
Yeah,
a
like
healthy
before
bet.
lunch, I don't think it will get there, but because it will have to convince a lot of people that it's not as strong. Like, what is BBI doing? Coming back down?
Yep. It went up,
Yeah.
popped out at almost six. All the big orders at 6 are still there. 595, 598, 599, 603. They're all there. So I'm holding steady.
I'm going to explain why I say that. Like, you see here, like before I put the line, you see that it's purple and blue. They are together right there, purple and blue. It had happened a couple times this week. This is the second time I think this week.
Okay.
So that line here is previous close and previous open, the same price. So we are crossed through it, and we were acting as resistance. Like, this will be what I would call the fact in a stock, because it has the biggest order. In this case, I will say that it will be that because you have the two imbalances.
Okay.
Imbalance from the open, imbalance from the close, right there. So, like, there is no gain. Like, I mean, like,
Yeah, but 644
So-
right now, 644.20,
mm-hmm,
and the 643.90, that resistance, that support, that used to be resistance, cross,
mm-hmm.
that support is there. That's what I'm counting on.
Okay. So what I'm saying is that this shouldn't happen. Like if we're gonna do that, let's have a little bit more of continuation. Like what I'm thinking is that it convince enough people with this and enough participation that yes, you go high, but then when they are when they realize, like look at that, like that resistance there, look at that pullback, pullback, and then pull back above the thing, and oh, magically we have the biggest candle right acrossing the opening and close. That's because they know, like, there is no much buying above there for us to keep buying there. So let's liquidate a bit enough that we entice people to wanting to buy again. And that price in my equation, like let's see, that's the 15. Yeah, it will be definitely at around that one, like 642. Like,
When I'm looking, for me, when I'm looking at the VWAP, okay, let's do, I don't want that.
like you see the 50 there is being bought out, but that's a decline in 50. So take it with a big grain of salt. Do your own research, but
And look at the VWAP where it is, right? So that's exactly where those big orders are. So we shall see. I'm hoping right there to have that bounce.
at 60, but you have all the reasons to bounce from there. Like you have the sizes that you are seeing. You are seeing sizes. Okay, and you have the 200 moving average. So, like, I will totally agree that it's a good price.
What the heck is that? Why did you load up there? Ooh, okay. On Wolf,
Mm-hmm.
we've got a position of almost 2,000 here at 813. Boogers. Boogers! So I want you...
Booga.
Booga. Pull it through. Pull it through.
You want him to remove his order?
No. But I want some follow-up. It's a little slow getting there, but I'm okay.
What price is that?
A Wolf,
Oh, I see 813.
yeah, 813, and it's almost there now. So what you gonna do there?
When I come for you.
Okay, it's on deck. It's showing up now on the montage. Let's see, do we have enough? Okay. Okay, 810. Brr. Okay. 810 on deck is being printed right now. What did you do? Did we find some people? Did we find some interest? Eight 13 still there. Oh, it is big enough to maybe act as a little bit of a don't come to me.
Don't go. Please don't go.
What a bullish take on Wolf.
What the heck was
Ooh, now that's a nice volume candle on SPY.
Somebody's selling the house with the kids and everything to on PLTR.
Somebody's throwing out the baby with the bathwater.
Oh yeah,
Is that the saying that you guys have? Do you have that saying?
yeah.
Throwing out the baby with the bathwater?
No.
No. You save your babies?
Yeah, we have the same one. Yeah, it will be the one that we will use. Is the same one that you already know. Throwing the house by the window. The tirar los muebles por la ventana. Yeah, throwing the furnitures by the window. Or throwing the sofa by the window, through the window.
Through the window. I did that once. That's a funny.
Yeah, I guess if you live in an apartment, it's not funny for your neighbors because we were living in an apartment and I saw that a person doing that, and like people were not happy.
Well, in my case, I wanted to keep it. So, but it was so big because it was a big corner unit
Mm-hmm.
that I'm gone to go get the moving truck.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm coming back, and the way that the apartment is, it's like an alcove, like this. They're built like a big U, and everybody's on the balcony. And I'm like, what the heck? Why is everybody out like that? It looked like, you know, when you look for fireworks and...
Yeah.
No, I look at my apartment. I live on the 4th floor, and they're swinging that big unit over the balcony. And so, call in the bin. She's okay. If
That's
I
a
was-
reasonable one. Like that's good.
if I was able to brought it in without swinging it on top of the balcony, we're able to take it out. But you need to have a very specific angle, and I was gone, so there it is, and it fell from the first. So it wasn't too damaged. It was a really solid piece of furniture, but yeah, you should have saw me and my face coming back from with the truck. Oh my God, what are you doing? It was funny. It's
Yeah.
funny now that it wasn't damaged, but I wasn't
Yeah,
saying
and-
that at that time.
In the moment, I'm pretty sure that it was like.
I was
Let me
using-
mute myself for saying this. Wait for I don't want to get in trouble. All right, we are back. So I didn't get punched, so it's good.
No punch for that. Oh yeah, that was frustrating though.
Don't go. Mara keep popping up here and there, and like right now Mara is what the price is $15. Yeah, so
I bid too, if I'm not mistaken, right?
let's take a look at IBIT.
No. It was. Look at the gap it created today.
Hey, keep coming down IBIT.
Yeah, but yesterday, look at the pop-up that it did. Boom, 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 boom. And then, poof, back up.
Yeah. Zach likes to trade the name.
I bet, yeah. That's true, he does, eh? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna put that level there. Sure, why not? See what you're gonna do there. JD.
So on PLTR here, the buyer, the stepping around here, like that one there at around 1020, something like that. Like that was quite big. I mean, like and but like that was 520. I'm gonna assume it was early enough that there was that much volume.
Okay.
But he didn't get it that far. I mean, like I'm concerned that this is gonna keep going down. But like it's good for my trade, but this is not good for the stock, I guess. Like I'm trying to put a price on it, and like yesterday we went pretty low. Yesterday, but today we went even lower. I mean, during the pre-market, like, can we aim for probably 181, 181.60 probably? The answer to that is a clear yes, so it's totally doable. Um, some strength may step in at the 82, 182,
Okay.
but keep it nimble. You know, it's like it's not that easy. Like I see it as a little bit discounted there, but if you see a spy, this is not looking good. And a spy, like the bounce that I will be expecting for a spy,
Mm-hmm.
and this will imply that I am wrong in the bet with Marie. But a spy is supposed to bounce from 643.50. So is a spy gonna bounce from there? We don't know. So yeah, exactly. 643.50. There's supposed to be a bounce.
Mm-hmm.
I have all the good reasons to bounce. It's just, will they do it? Don't go. Please don't go. There we go. Some acceleration there toward the downside. I have to listen to this. As you can see, now I unmute myself because I want to clarify that. SPY didn't bounce at all from the 143.50.
No.
So, oh my goodness. Can it go lower? So if you see SPY breaking the top of the opening range, PLTR breaking the bottom. So if you put that in contrast, like it didn't the rest of the things, including NVDA and AMD, they went higher. The PLTR went anyway. No, so it's a little bit annoying because at some point it was actually green. Like I mean, we were looking at PLTR like as a strong stock, and it is not strong at all. It just looks strong, but it's not. So that's what I say. Like this is the buyer that I say here, that he is stepping at the open, and it was at the open or the. Probably that's why, because I was messed up with that thing. I think it was at the open. So if the open is not able to break above 85, with the volume that have been liquidated at the open on PLTR the last 2 days, this thing's supposed to keep going lower. So no financial advice for anybody, but this is the way it's looking like. I am like I say 82. Look at how the strength came at the 82. I mentioned that a couple minutes ago.
Yep.
But that's what I'm saying here. With the selling pressure that these have, I'm expecting the 82 to not hold either. Man, I like. It's like in 2 minutes I may win my bet, like even because like I say that the end of the day, but if you look at the SPY, look how close we are from my blue line here. Like we went just 40 cents away from it. That's a big volume candle, so I don't want that to be the reverse.
Let's go. I do.
I know. ¿Qué me hizo en la vida no creer más? Al llegar las vacaciones. PLTR making lower lows. Yo pensé hacer un viaje. No lower lows, it's just a new low in the 1 minute. No. Yeah, in the 1 minute. Yeah, in the 1 minute. And then there we go. Y así mis problemas olvidar. En el tren que yo viajaba, conocí una chica triste, que la suerte un día también la olvidó. Me contó toda su vida, ansiedades y tristezas. Ella estaba abandonada como yo. Si guardáis un sentimiento en tu corazón, amigo, que también entristecí cuando partí. Yo te pido que lo olvides, pues son cosas del momento. No me puedo resignar a que te perdí.
Oh.
Fatalidad, Tururun, tum, tum. Amor, sufrir tan de repente. Palantir. Ay, ay. I have that many eyes with that ridiculous amount of shares. It's like I have a ridiculous low amount of shares, and I have 8.8 R.
Hey!
It's just like
I didn't hear you take anything. Or did you?
should I?
Oh, you're hilarious.
No, I think this is gonna go lower. Let's see what is this. 188.50. Oy, oy, oy.
Brr.
All right, everybody there. Let's wrap this up, and I have to say, like, if my thinking is correct in whatever we say on SPY, it will make sense that many people are frustrated about trading, and like, it has been like that from all the times, but the fact that we are under these market conditions make it a little bit harder. Basically, like because yes, this is a good long. Yes, it did manifest itself, but when you pull back, this is the place that it's supposed to be holding. In my opinion, it's not looking that pretty around there. So I'm really aiming for this price action here, like. And what that is suggesting is that, and like for sure the market is like that. That's something that everybody know. The market is reinventing itself every day. Every day we have new participation. Every day there are people that throw out their new algorithms that do different things. And like, but like this sell-off is more extended than what under normal conditions we will expect. So, but maybe if this is the normal, well, we just like try to think ahead what it's going to do. So, but yeah. So I took AMD, and I'm probably gonna walk away from AMD for longer because like this have been just smoking me. Like I went short here at a price that I don't want. Like I got in by mistake. Then I add to average in the price. Then I put my stop loss around here, and then I say, you know what? This is not the price I want as a short. And because I didn't want that price, I got out here. I got out, and I say, you know what? This is good. Let's be out.
Okay.
And just imagine if I did hold that short, plus the short I'm holding on PLTR.
Oh my goodness.
So I say, no, you know what? This is a long. Like, why is it a long? Well, because it have high volume and blah blah blah, and it was looking good. But like it didn't even hold the VWAP during the market pre-market. Ok, Okay, so and then
Wow.
I flipped to the long. So I tried long here, add to the long. That didn't work. And then I say I'm gonna give it another shot. Like so, I took another long here, didn't work, and it got me out and it moved a little bit on my favor, but then it went down again. So that's why I say walk away, my guy. Like AMD is not your thing today. And it's funny because by very little I am green in the short and red in the long on AMD.
Oh,
Um,
nice.
Then I was trying to take NVIDIA, but I didn't took any NVIDIA. And like right now, I cannot see that chart. I need another chart to be able to see NVIDIA. Yeah, NVIDIA. The original price I want was the PCL, and the PCL it was 181.59, and now it's 181.42. So it's below the PCL. Like I would be interested to take a long, but not under these market conditions right now. The market is just going straight
Yeah.
down.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna just try to be. I'm almost being all out of my Palantir. I'm gonna be all out at around 180, 150 or something like that. So, but yeah, Nvidia never gave me the opportunity, so I wasn't able. So I only trade AMD and PLTR today. And on PLTR, this is the same trade I explained a little bit a long ago. Like I shorted here a little shares. It went all the way down here. I say, this is looking fantastic. So I add again to the short, and it got me out here with a little lost, like the green triangle there. So then the purple is like to me when it does that. I have said that to Marie every time. Like normally it's just a wick that will do that. Those I know they have a little bit.
And
of,
it was a week.
those
Almost.
one, yeah. In another time frame it's a wick, but in the 1 minute they have body those candles. But it have been showing more and more candles with body in the weekly. So it got me out, and I say I think I'm right. So I just retook the same position, the same share size that I have with those two. I just took it right here, which is quite little, anyways. But like this is like this happened. I took a huge trade yesterday like that, or like move wise, it was that big on a PLTR. Though I ended the red on yesterday because I hold too long PLT Nvidia. So but yeah, so Nvidia made me red yesterday, and like today, if I liquidate there, I'm green. But I think as I say, I want 180, 150 or something like that. So but yeah, good trade on Palantir here, and that's it for me. What about you, Marie?
Well, I had Irene. We traded, well, BDAI is still have. So we have Irene.
Irene.
So when I traded Irene was great. I was so happy with that trade. So I went in right there. So that is at 1785 when it was around the VWAP at 1810. I looked at the tape. I added to that. Excuse me. Took a partial at 1835. Took another one at 18. And then I think I went out. Yeah, I took completely out. Then, but that makes no sense. Yeah, because I'm out. So then I took another. I went back in at 1690. I missed it. Remember, I said, I walked away. Dang it. So I took it at 1890, and I took a double partial at 1930. I added again. No, and then I came out. No. Added
That's
and
not-
broke
yeah,
even.
broke even, yeah.
Yeah, added and broke
Okay.
even on there. So just did a little bit over the NONAR. Our GTI was a good one as well. Our GTI, I went in at 17. No, come on, man. Let's go, our GTI. Show up. Okay, so our GTI, I went long and that was a placed order. So I went long at 1645 and I took a little bit of a loss. I went out at 1630. I went back in at 1640, added at the VWAP, took my first partial at 17, added at the pullback
I
of
remember that part.
1680, took another partial at 1710, another partial at 1720, and added And am I still? No. Okay, I added at 1710, took a partial 25, came all out at 1795, and since then it's been tanking. So that was another one. So that was a 2R. Because when I took it at the first one, I took a loss right here, long boof. That was a loss, but I ended up bringing some back. So now I'm in Wolf. So Wolf, that was like, if we all remember, I put my order initially at 680. Then I put it again at 7, but it was after the fact that it did wick. So the 80. Yeah, it was a low of 674, but it didn't get me. Then I changed it. I said, what? It didn't get me. Let's put it at 7 because it did wick 7. There was, didn't get me again. So I walked away. Then I ended up going into Wolf.
At
I said,
770?
at
Right
770 and kept adding 2, and now I'm just waiting for it to consolidate a little bit. I'm taking a little bit of heat because 770 was a really big level. We still have great participation on the tape. We still have that big order at the 810, 811, 813, and going up to 820. So
I have been holding the VWAP
it
quite
has
well.
exactly right. So it hasn't pulled back to that yet.
Like you see the thing I was talking about, the pink line and the green one. Look at the name you're trading, and that's why you were talking about, like, the names she's trading, they are not correlated with the index. Like, for example, if I pulled you out here, like let's say a SPY, look how this pink line here is on top of the green line here. So like that's a bearish setup, and that's why I'm so bearish on PLTR, kind of. But like when we look at Wolf, you have a total opposite thing. Like and the more they
And
are
look at
spreading between them,
Look at
is-
Rigetti too.
like okay, you see the green on top. So Rigetti is the
A reverse.
Yeah. But you see on the chart, like look at the crappy chart. Compare the Wolf. Like look at Wolf. He's allergic to the to that.
Those levels, right?
Yeah,
To
so
those lines.
It's pretty cool. So yeah. So anything else?
Nope. I still have BBAI, so we'll see what that's going to happen with. Remember, again, it was 6. I went in at 7,
Yeah,
698.7. So now my price has been better to 627. So I'm happy with that. I tried to.
I have been the subject of the week.
Yeah. Well,
That
yeah,
BBAI.
because it's 3 days now, right?
Yeah.
So I'm happy that I keep bringing back down the price of entry, but holy smoke, I'm glad that and hey, it's a great exercise to be able to do that, but yeah, it's been a little bit slower to come up, but then when you look at those financials numbers that came out, yeah, that's enough for people to run.
Yeah, which in
Right.
my opinion is expected. Like I mean, this is not a mature stock even, so it's like PLTR is getting there. PLTR is getting to be a mature stock. It is very mature compared to BBAI, but like, yeah, Google it and you will see what I'm talking about the maturity of a stock like Bank of America, BBAI. Yeah, like, is Bank of America BBA?
Big Bear AI.
No. I mean, I'm talking.
BBAI?
No, BBAI, yeah, but like, I'm talking about Bank of America because I think it's the maturest stock.
BA? No,
BBA.
No.
BBVA.
No.
Yeah, it is Bank of America.
BBVA? No.
Well, let's take a look. Just a quick look. Ticket. Oops. Ticket symbol for Bank of America. Of America.
BAC.
BAC. Yeah, exactly. So, like, So for that to move, and I know it's only like $47 right now, but like, you need a lot of money behind. That's why sometimes, like, let's say today, what happened the move? Like, today the range of Bank of America is 19 cents. So, yeah, like it doesn't move dollars like BBAI being like. BBAI, let's say BBAI. Yeah. No, BBAI, I have it here. Oh, yeah, my stomach doing good. So, BBAI have moved just from the open from 565 to 599. So, about 30 cents compared to Bank of America. Of course, it's like BBAI have news and all those things. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like the majority of the stock is something that take into account when we take those trades.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, so that's it for today. I hope everybody have fun and
Let's go
like
SPY! Woohoo!
SPY is saving you for a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Make my day, SPY. Make my day.
You will take.
Mama needs a 6th win.
I need a second one, so
No, you need a 3rd one. You already have a 2nd.
I have a second one.
Yeah. It's 5-2.
Oh wait, it's 5-2, so I need a third one. Ooh la la! Now I'm more excited. So let's keep it going.
He's closing the
So,
gap, people.
ooh la la, yeah. So, yeah, it's a matter of time. It's, like,
It's a matter of time. Dream on.
sure. So, we're gonna talk at the end of the day, you know? I'm gonna send you the print screen of, hey, that's what it did.
Yeah,
So,
I know.
yeah. So, I hope everybody have a good day. I hope everybody trade responsibly. And, we're gonna definitely see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna see us tomorrow. So, have fun, enjoy your day, and see you then.
Thanks.